As a beginner, you may be wondering what to trade and how to invest your capital. Well, there are many different products, assets, or financial instruments, as they are called in the market's lingo, to trade. For example, you may decide to buy the eurodollar because you sense that the corresponding exchange rate will rise, or even own part of a blue chip company through the stock market. Additionally, you may invest in precious metals like gold, silver, or others, as well as trade the crude oil. Did I mention cryptocurrencies? Yes, cryptocurrencies is another category and many traders favor it. Now, if you are not ready to start trading and investing, then I suggest that you continue your learning experience here until you feel confident enough to place your first trade. See you in a while.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.